Good evening, everyone. I am Matthew Sisa from first year St. Ambrose. Mom Cherry asked me, what is the relationship between mathematics and music? Well, mathematics and music play very different roles in the society. However, they are more closely related to each other from they are commonly perceived to be. This report identifies such links in different areas and concludes with insight that music often has some mathematical characteristic and more importantly that artistic aspects can be found in mathematics as well. Mathematics is involved in some way in every field of study known to mankind. In fact, it could be argued that mathematics is involved in some way in everything that exists everywhere, or even everything that is imagined to exist in any conceivable reality. Any possible or imagined situation that has any relationship whatsoever to space, time, or thought would also involve mathematics. Music is a field of study that has an obvious relationship to mathematics. Music is, to many people, an inverbal form of communication that reaches past to the human intellect directly into the soul. However, music is not really created by mankind, but only discovered, manipulated, and recognized by mankind. In reality, music is first and foremost a phenomena of nature, a result of principles and physics of mathematics. Thank you for listening. This is Matthew Sisa reporting to Ma'am Cherry.